What's today's project? It's Saturday morning. I finally have, time. I finally have time to work on the RV again. And since it's been so rainy and hot lately, I haven't really had a chance to come out here and work on it. But today, I'm going to show you how the hydraulic pump raises and lowers the RV, and I'm also going to begin cleaning off the roof and prepping it to be resealed. So, come along. I almost forgot the most important thing. I was wondering why I was feeling tired. Okay, now we're ready. Secret weapon. I just wanted to show you why I love having my RV parked out next to my garden. Because I have corn, squash, beautiful flowers, more beautiful flowers. There's berries back here. But right now I'm coming back here for these guys. Cherry tomatoes. You can see I'm growing this one in a 5-gallon bucket. I'm experimenting with it this year to see what I can do, what kind of stuff I can grow that I could possibly take with me if we ever needed to go somewhere else. Queso's here, enjoying the garden. Hi, buddy. You're a good boy. Due to budgetary restraints, I will be sealing this with this. I know some of you guys in the comments are going to be like, what? No, that's not the way you do it. But guess what? It's going to work, and it's going to work plenty well enough for the mobile man cave. Whew, it's hot out here. But just to give you guys an idea, I'm going to be using this Gorilla Tape like shingles on here. Where it's laid down over top of the last one, and then I just lay it down even. Hold it down. And we're good. Okay, well, I'm nice and hot and sweaty. I did as much as I could on the RV, but now I'm out of tape. So I need to go get one more roll of tape, and then I'll be able to finish sealing the edges of the RV, and I'll be able to pull out the sealant for the roof and paint that. So, now that we're back with Gorilla Tape, that's what I've been using on the RV trim. I'll show you guys a little bit more when I continue with this. You also saw I picked up from Home Depot 5-gallon bucket. These things are super cheap, and I have a special project that I'm going to show you that I use this for that's already being used in my garden. With some of these little holes, like right here, since I'm not going to be sealing this today before it rains, I'm going to just be taking a little bit of the Gorilla Tape. Ta-da! Problem solved. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for today. We got some thunderstorms supposed to be coming in the next half an hour, and I think I'm going to be done with what I got to do on the tape for now. So that's going to be it for now from the high-low renovation project here in my backyard garden with the mobile man cave. So I will see you guys next time. Make sure to check out if you want to see some pictures of my Instagram, Derek_O'Hara. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and I appreciate all the views and any advice you guys have in the comment section. I'll definitely take a look at. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Peace.